We talk a lot about controlling inventory, controlling material, making sure the right material is on the line at the right time. One technique for that is Kanban. A Kanban system is simply some way of measuring a minimum amount of parts needed on the line or in the warehouse versus a maximum of parts needed on the line or in the warehouse at any given time. Simple Kanban systems can be with cards that as soon as you pull out one part and get to the minimum, there's a card sitting there that you can see, and your material person, and he's walking the line, finds the card, sees it, picks it up, takes it to the warehouse, and brings the part back to you, and brings the maximum amount of parts that should be on that line. Setting up minimums and maximums depend on your ability to supply the line, your ability for your outside suppliers to get parts to you, or the ability of your inside manufacturing to get parts to another part of the line. Setting up minimums and maximums are as simple as finding out, if I get to the minimum, can I fill the line back up again without losing production? It's that simple. So you find out, maybe it's 10 pieces takes 10 minutes, it takes 10 minutes for your guy to get back to the warehouse, get the parts, and put it in. That's excellent planning also, by the way. When you're planning like that, using your ERP, MRP systems, so that you know exactly when parts are going to be there, helps you to improve your Kanban system. That in itself reduces the amount of material that you have to order. The amount of money you have tied up in inventory is incredibly expensive, so you want to reduce it as much as possible. A good Kanban system can help you do that. I give you an example. In an automotive factory that I was part of, at one point in time we had $450 million of material on the floor. We reduced it to $55 million worth of inventory on the floor during any given period of time. And this, of course, saved us an incredible amount of money. Also, excess inventory on the floor and not put into your Kanban bins or cart in your areas can get damaged, can get hurt, can get turned into scrap. So using a Kanban system for proper material flow can be an excellent way from you to take a system where you're reading something off of an Excel spreadsheet and just sending it to the line for an entire day, to keeping material processed and flowed every hour, so that you don't have to lose production, and you can have the right parts on the line at the right time, which is what good planning is about.